Hello again and welcome back to the RegalX Trading Academy video courses. In this video we will explain how you can use the RegalX WebTrade platform to place your first trade with RegalX. You can trade commodities like gold or oil or silver. There's a number of commodities that you can trade, or you could trade pairs, forex pairs like currencies. You can trade the euro dollar, which is one of the most prominent ones, or you could trade shares like Apple, for example. Here we have all sorts of different big shares for companies, Amazon, Apple, all these big tech giants that have really been the craze over the last years. You can trade them very easily by choosing shares here. Or, of course, we offer also crypto. So we have a number of crypto coins to trade with. We have Bitcoin against different fiat currencies like euro, pound, yen, dollar. But we also have different cryptocurrency like Dash, EOS, Ethereum, IOTA, Litecoin, Neo, Monero, Ripple, Zcash. So you see there is a big selection of cryptos that you can trade here. And of course, there are also indices like the big indices of the world, the German DAX, for example, or the US NASDAQ, to bring US back to the technology sector in the US. Now, if we want to trade something, we just need to choose it. Now, let's assume we want to trade euro dollars, so we can put it in here in the search mass euro USD, and we click on it. And then it opens down here. So in order to trade, we now see here the entry window. Now, I can choose the amount that I want to trade. Let's just say we want to trade 10,000 euros for euro dollar. And then, and we want to buy it. So let me see here. You see, euro went up today and might be in for another correction to the upside. So let's try it. So we buy euro dollar at 10,000 and we choose buy 10,000 and we go place trade. So now you can see the trade is actually openly running. You see it here when it is open, what the current P&L is, meaning profit and loss, the order number, my open price, and the current price. The swaps will only apply if you hold the positions overnight. Now, in order to secure my position, I can say I want to take a profit. Say the price goes back to 116.60. I want the profits to be taken there. And if the price goes further down at 116, I want it to be kicked out by my stop loss, or the stop loss is to limit my losses. And my take profit is to take my profit automatically. And the WebTrader actually allows us to see what it means in terms of money and what it means in terms of percentage if we place them at these levels. So I say save it here, and you see the order has been updated, and you can see that it now has these levels or so applied. Now, in order to close the trade, it's also very simple. To close the trade, we simply have to click close here, and it will ask us. It will prompt us to see if we really want to close the position. We can confirm, and a position has been closed, and up here you can see it, and you can find it here under closed trades. So today's trade, you see what was open, what was closed, and you can see the history of your trades as well. So this is really very easy, and you can choose to trade it anytime through our website, throughout your portal. The WebTrader is the easiest thing to trade, really, and allows you to enter so many markets at your fingertips.